Tension is high in sections of Lower Maxfield Avenue in St. Andrew as an ongoing gang feud has led to several persons being shot, one fatally in less than 24 hours. Details from TVJ's Herman Green.
Wellington Road and Maxfield Avenue in St. Andrew on Sunday morning. A virtual ghost town as, in an unusual occurrence, residents have either locked themselves in their homes or have moved out, fearing for their lives. That's due to several shootings between rival gangs over the past few weeks. Councillor for the Whitfield Town Division, Eugene Kelly, says Sunday morning's killing is a continuation of the lawlessness that plagues the division.
This time it is a man in his mid to late 50s. He was a well-known shopkeeper and welder. And once again, it is a murder that is inexplicable. This was a businessman trying to make an honest bread.
Fearful residents who would only speak off camera say the feud is between gangs of several lanes off Maxfield Avenue, including Wellington Road.
Sunlight Street, Garden Avenue, Whitfield and Swepnam Road. Four of them combined together. Four roads combined together. And them stay over on Sunlight Street side. So if anybody from Wellington Road go there, them dead. Yesterday, two guys ride out, was going up the road and them run out from in a Sunlight Street and shoot them up, but them don't dead.
In light of the ongoing violence, Councillor Kelly and the residents are calling for greater police presence in the area as the shootings happen at all hours of the day.
I'm very surprised that in light of what has been happening, that there's not a police, a temporary police post, if even a car or two positioned on Wellington Road and several other roads in which there's this ongoing gang feud.
Well, we need the police intervention. We need the police them to take charge because them not going with nothing. The man this morning films where them kill film shopper for lockdown. The next shop who can't go road, can't buy nothing, them can't go school. Today or Sunday where we are going to eat. Or we are going to sleep. Last night them turn them gun down here. Fire peer shot. You there in your house, you fear go ground. Can't sleep on your bed good. Pitney them a ball. We tired of it. Can't take it no more. We tired of it.
Herman Green, TVJ News.